Given that the cosec of theta is 5 over 3 and theta is obtuse, find the exact value of A, cos theta, and B, tan theta. So we've got cosec theta is 5 over 3. Now cosec theta is 1 over sine theta, so the next thing we can write down is 1 over sine theta is 5 over 3, which means that sine theta is 3 over 5. So all we have to do is invert that one and invert that one. Using sine squared plus cos squared is equivalent to 1, we know that cos squared theta is equivalent to 1 minus sine squared theta. So cos squared theta is going to be 1 minus 3 over 5 squared, which is 1 minus 9 over 25. Therefore cos squared theta is 16 over 25, and therefore cos theta is going to be plus or minus 4 over 5. However, it might be plus, it might be negative, so we need to look at that a little bit closer. Theta is obtuse between 90 and 180. Here is my angle. Now in that quadrant, sine is positive but cosine is negative, therefore I must only write down that cos theta is minus 4 over 5. To find tan theta is equivalent to sine theta over cos theta. Therefore tan theta is going to be 3 over 5 divided by minus 4 over 5. Note, if you do 3 over 5 divided by minus 4 over 5, that's the same as doing 3 over 5 times minus 5 over 4. The 5's cancel out, so you get minus 3 over 4. So the final answer here will be minus 3 over 4. So given cosec theta and the angle being obtuse, we have found cos theta and tan theta. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.